Hello, how may I help you today?
I forgot to get my truck checked for clean air regulations, and I think I'm in trouble.
No worries at all. We can help with that.
Really? How?
Well, lucky for you, California Truck Centers does the clean truck check. Did you get a notification from DMV?
Yes. It said that I was non-compliant.
We can get you in and out fast. Plus, if repairs are needed, we can check to see if they're covered under warranty, and our factory-trained technicians can get the repaired ends quickly. If it doesn't pass the first time, we can do complimentary retesting pending repairs.
Oh, okay. And how often will I need to do this?
If your truck is 2013 or newer, it has onboard diagnostics. We can submit the test results remotely.
And what do I need to do to stay compliant?
All you have to do is register with CARB. You may have to pay a fee.
I don't know. That sounds like a lot of work. What if I skip all that stuff and I don't get certified?
I wouldn't recommend that. With the clean air test, truck registration will be denied, which in turn will impact your business. Plus, at California Truck Centers, if your truck fails the initial test, we will make the repairs of the issues you may have. Once that has been taken care of, we will retest the vehicle at no additional charge.
Fine. But what's the catch for you guys, though? How much is this going to end up costing me?
Fortunately for you, California Truck Centers has a limited time offer for the clean air test. $119.95.
$119.95?
$119.95.
$119.95. $119.95.